Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I created this effect where I have these burning rocks in the hand with some embers and smoke, then this lava here. So this is a simple effect but looks cool, I guess. So let's start this tutorial and you'll find this file on my Patreon as usual. So let's start this. So I have downloaded this animation with this character from examo.com. This is hanging on vampire lust. Okay, so I have set up this here in the Unreal Engine through the sequencer. So in the sequencer, I have this animation and you can see, okay. And also I have opened this here in the Maya. Let me just turn on polygon only. So because this is hanging, so I want something around the hands, okay, like a rope. So let's make it. So what I'll do, I think I just need slender, I think. Yeah, I can just take a slender and slender actually. And I don't need that much of segments. Maybe 5 is enough. Okay, and I don't need these caps. So I have this and this very small. Let me increase the size. Very big. Basically, I'll put it here. And this is rope, so it will be like this. Maybe this much. Yeah. So from the top angle, if I'll go the top angle, this, okay, and I'll put it here on the hands, okay. I just need these two angles, and in the UV, this need to be fit, normalize, and I want these to be these vertices to move here, and now I'll just make that rope and I'll just make this video faster so you can see. So I'm just going to start it. I have these two ropes for both hands, left hand and right hand. Now I can delete this and